people can get often the first response to transparency is that frontline folks will feel bad if they see how their performance compares. Anytime we've had this sort of public performance management, people love it. It may be difficult that first couple of days, but man, when they get into it, people want to be successful at our core. And I think we lose that sometimes. And so this is a really great way for people to be like, okay, I'm starting to slip. I can't have anyone see that. I've got to bump it up. So I love that about Pathlight. I also love that our managers can really just take a quick note, add it to a one-on-one doc for conversation, and give that feedback very clearly with that data in the moment.